Hello everyone. So let's see what the cards are for today. This one card is popping out, so I'm going to take that only. Okay. Judgment card. I would say if there's something happening in your office or at your home, don't jump to conclusions, don't get judgmental. At the same time, if there's somewhere where you need to depend on someone, don't depend. Depend on yourself, believe in yourself and not on others. I feel here also when I'm seeing this card, for me the angel wings are shown. So if you are a person who follows on angels, whichever angel you trust the most, call on that angel, ask them to bless you, ask them to be with you, and tell them that you are blessed because they are there with you, and ask them to be with you throughout the day today, helping you, guiding you what is right and what is wrong. And if there's some news which is coming which is making you upset, then surrender it to the angels, and the angels will see to it that nothing harms you actually. So now let's see what this card is saying. Okay, there's a fury climax up, so I think something today very rocking is going to happen. But end of the day, I would say don't get scared, don't panic, don't give up, because somewhere all happens for a cause. Even if there's something which is happening today which is hurting you or which is upsetting you, maybe that was meant to happen and that is the reason it's happening today. As a small thing, I would say wear something in black so that you are away from any negative energies. So wear a black dress if possible today, or carry a black kerchief today. And also, if possible today, have a bath with a little bit of rock salt and mint leaves in your water. Mint is pudina leaves. Mint leaves and rock salt, soak it for some time in your water and then have a bath with it. If possible, if you have a rose quartz with you, carry a rose quartz with you. If not, it is perfectly fine. Today in the morning, go to your puja room, burn a lamp, surrender everything to Lord Ganesha, and tell Ganesha, you are my Vignaharta, you are the person who removes obstacles. Whatever are the obstacles that is coming in my day today, you please take care of them and you please handle them. It is you who has to take care of it. Now coming to your love related reading. You are my home. So today, at the end of the day, even if the day goes stressful the way the cards are showing, once you come home, I'm sure you'll feel happy that you're home, and you will feel okay, whatever has happened. Now I am home. And I always say home sweet home. So same way you will also say, oh, at last I'm home. So it's my home sweet home. So you will realize that. And maybe I feel there are certain things which needs to be sorted out in your home front also. This is my feel when I'm seeing this card. So maybe if there's something which is happening in the home front which is not sorted out, then I think it's a time to sort it out. Let's see what the blessing card is saying. Now that's a beautiful thing. I see this as you strained and drained and not knowing what to do, but there is a blessing which is coming your way. Just open your hands and you are going to be blessed. You are going to be taken care of. The angels are going to bless you, and end of the day they're going to make you happy. Have a blessed day everyone. Thank you.